Interactive shooting range, take 1. Keyboard input, signal acknowledgement of the instructions. Keyboard input to signal the acknowledgement of the user. And a countdown. The X in the center of the screen represents the target you're shooting at. The blue represents where the system believes your shot to have gone. And the fifth and final shot. At the end of the run, it plots your hits in green and it replots up the target back in blue so you can see for yourself how far you were off from hitting. The system logs all of this and plots it into a file, a results file, where it has your time from the appearance of the X to the shot. You've got your total accrued time. You've got your randomly calculated shot X, or X coordinate of the target. Your randomly selected Y coordinate of the target, the X coordinate of your hit, the Y coordinate of your hit, and then how many inches you were off from the target. There you go.